Experimenting with GenAI is the easy part. The hard part is moving past the wow factor to deliver results that are actually reliable, secure, and meaningful is the defining challenge for today's financial institutions. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the 3 architectural pillars: context, memory, and governance that turn a generic LLM into a powerful enterprise differentiator. We will show you why these 3 pillars matter, how they can be implemented effectively, and what this looks like in a real-world example in the financial services industry. Pillar number 1, context. An AI is only as smart as the data it can see. In finance, early AI focused on predictive analytics, assessing credit risk, detecting fraud, forecasting market shifts, and predicting customer churn. Today, GenAI takes it a step further by synthesizing structured and unstructured data. The competitive advantage here comes from feeding operational data to your AI. By understanding user's role, department, and query context, AI can do more. With context, AI can dynamically synthesize info, personalize recommendations, and make critical alerts faster than before. From smart document intelligence to improve onboarding new prospective customers to agentic AI-powered investment portfolio recommendations, unstructured data plays a critical role in today's processes and can be the roadblocker or the thing that boosts innovative solutions and stepping up into the future of the solutions industries offer. Rich context ensures that AI delivers accurate and actionable answers. Without it, responses can become delusional or irrelevant to the original prompt. Pillar number 2, memory. LLMs are essentially stateless. They process knowledge in the moment, then forget. Memory is what allows an AI to learn from interactions and track emerging patterns in real time. For example, Agentic AI in finance relies on memory to continuously monitor markets, detect emergent fraud patterns, and adapt workflows in real time. This is where MongoDB Atlas is a great example of memory at play. The document model lets you store everything, from regulatory logs to multimedia in one place. Vector embeddings enable semantic search and contextual retrieval. AI partners can remember past interactions, link new data to historical context, and deliver intelligent, proactive guidance. Memory transforms AI from a reactive tool to a trusted, goal-driven partner. Pillar number 3, governance. This is the guardrail between a successful deployment and a massive liability, especially in financial services. With strong governance, AI runs in a controlled environment where sensitive data stays protected, access is restricted, and every action is traceable. Which is why many banks favor small, tightly governed language models over more powerful but riskier options. You need governance built directly into your data workflow. When you combine rich context with secure access to data, you gain transparency into data lineage and reasoning and full auditability. Your AI needs to show its work following emerging Know Your Agent expectations, so you can track which data was used, what outputs were generated, and why a decision was made, giving compliance teams the explainability they need to trust the results and provide transparency to the final users and regulators. Let's see how these 3 pillars look in a real-world high-stakes environment. Imagine a global bank that doesn't just store documents but actually understands them in real time. Most institutions are held back by what we call invisible friction. It's the thousands of hours lost sifting through emails, folders, or manually extracting data from complex contracts. When simple questions require human review, workflows stop, risk exposure climbs, and your most talented people become data hunters instead of innovators. But it doesn't have to be that way. We're seeing a shift towards document intelligence, where AI transforms that operational friction into true actionable insights. Banks are moving beyond simple automation to what's called Agentic AI. This isn't just about reading text, it's about making your data AI ready. Whether it's streamlining client onboarding, automating investment research, or accelerating loan origination, the goal is the same. This shifts the workflow from manual verification to autonomous investigation. Instead of just processing data, you're deploying agents capable of reasoning through complex compliance patterns in seconds. This doesn't replace the expert, it empowers them. The agent handles the high-volume analysis to surface high-fidelity insights, allowing the human in the loop to focus their expertise on the most critical, high-stakes decisions. It's about achieving machine-scale precision while maintaining human-led oversight and staying ahead of the speed of the market. Let's take another example, financial crime mitigation. Today, many institutions are held back by the exponential costs of false positives, the legacy systems that struggle to map complex money laundering networks. Using MongoDB vector search, you can capture and analyze behavior patterns to stop fraud before it scales, rather than just reacting to it. And with chain streams, you can propagate updates to your risk models in real time. This ensures your production decisions always reflect the most current logic. This is how you transform a high-cost necessity into a streamlined, intelligent engine for growth. Synthesizing these pillars, context, memory, and governance, represents a move towards a more mature AI strategy in the financial sector. First, context is about the integrity of the data ingestion, its ability to pull from diverse data types and sources so that the model has the necessary background to provide accurate, industry-specific responses. Second, the memory provides the persistence required for multi-step tasks, but it also does more than simply retain history. In MongoDB, memory becomes a shared single source of truth, where insights can be stored once and reused across agents, so what one agent learns can inform the next. The memory then becomes context for future decisions, creating a continuous loop between context and memory. Together, they create the foundation for governance, where every action can be more consistent, traceable, and trustworthy. Finally, governance is becoming the cornerstone of deployment, with emerging frameworks like Know Your Agent, and the focus is on maintaining a clear record of data inputs and model outputs to ensure full explainability behind every automated decision. By solving for context, governance, and memory, organizations can bridge the gap between experimental AI and stable enterprise-grade production environment. If you're ready to build an AI that's context-aware and secure, explore the resources linked in the description. And don't forget to leave your comments below on what you'd like to learn next.